everyone. In this video I'm just going to show you how to trade a simple price action strategy. You don't need any indicator. It's a very simple price action strategy that you use on binary option for an expiration time of 15 minutes. Yeah, so you need a broker that give you 15 minutes. If your broker doesn't give you exactly 15 minutes, you need to register with a new broker in the description below the video. All right, so let's do it. All right, so the strategy is as simple as this. You identify two top or two bottom that are close to each other. So basically we're looking for a hem or a W in the market. That means this. Let me just draw. So we need a hem or W. All right, so that's what we need. All right, so let's get it. Let's look for M and a W in the market, right? And that hem and W must be on the top, so basically, or at the bottom, it depends. For example, here, can you see there's a trend going up? All right, and then it get here, it create hem. All right, so this is what happened when you have the M. So we identify this area here, right? So basically, let's say for example the market is here, right? You see the market touching the top. This is the highest point. It starts going down and then it goes back again and touch the top. So you only do one thing. You need to draw a line on that line, on that level. I mean, can you see that? This is a very good resistance there. So the market touch it first, goes down, it touch it again. So that is why they call it double top. If it at the bottom, it double bottom. All right, it's a double top. Now the mistake that people make is they enter immediately there. But remember one thing, even if you see this type of candle, the market can still go up. Nothing proves you that this is the top. For example, here, stop here, it comes back a bit and then it keeps going up. You see that? So what you need to do is you will need to identify a point called the neck of the formation. This is the neck. So that means you identify the point where the market reverses. So this is the neck. So basically you only going to enter at the moment when the market breaks the neck. Can you see that? So the market breaks the neck. The first candle when the market has broken the neck is this one. So when that candle closes, that is going to be my entry. All right, so that is going to be my entry right here. That's where my entry going to be. Let me show you. So my entry is going to be at this candle here. So if I have to show the so if I have to show this there, so when I enter there, I'll enter for if I enter for 5 minutes, I will either take a 5-minute trade because I'm analyzing in 5 minutes, or if you want to go for 3 candles, it's fine. So you go for 1 candle in the money, 3 candles as well. That's 1, 2, 3. But that is very close. Huh? Yeah, but you go for 1 or 3 candles, that will be fine. But it's better to go for 3. It's safer. So let's take another opportunity. From here to here, did you see the market moving? Yeah, we have a bottom here, and then where's our neck? Neck is there. It breaks here, 1, 2, 3 in the money again. Can you see that? So there's many that you can do. Even here, this represents the neck of that top there. Can you see? There's a top neck broken, go in the money. Yeah, that's it. Perfect, guys. Please